Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're starting with making the topping. For this you'll need 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/3 cup of chips that have been crumbled up, half a teaspoon of paprika, shredded cheese, I used cheddar and parmesan, and salt and pepper. Just give it a mix and set it aside. In a large pot, boil some water and place the macaroni on to cook. Drain when the pasta is done. Heat up some bacon pieces on a low heat. Once the bacon has been heated through, remove the bacon but keep the bacon fat in the pot. To the bacon fat, add 2.5 tablespoons of butter and let it melt over a gentle heat. Once melted, add a teaspoon of mustard powder and 2.5 tablespoons of plain flour. Mix to make a paste, let it cook for 30 seconds and then start adding the milk. Keep gradually adding the milk, consistently stirring. I use a fork because I find I can feel the base of the pot better and make sure there's nothing sticking to the bottom. Once you can see the sauce simmering, start adding the cheese. Also make sure your oven is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit. When the sauce is ready, mix in the pasta and the bacon and pour it into a greased oven-proof dish. And then sprinkle over the topping. Into the oven it goes for 20 minutes. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like or a comment or subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.